ACP Operations and Maintenance Safety Conference is a fantastic place to get to know the folks who are out in the field making this industry a success.
I do a lot of different shows, but what I really like about OMS is there's more of a boots on the ground feel. You get to see the people that are working on the turbines, working on the projects. More boots than suits, which is refreshing sometimes.
It's not as salesy, so I'm really able to get more business done at this conference.
It's nice to get all like-minded people together that are focused on operations, maintenance, and safety, of course.
We love OMS because of the safety part, the S part of it, right? As a manufacturer, we do get to meet with a lot of technicians, get feedback on our products and how to improve them.
By coming to events like this and talking to new people, you have the opportunity to see, hey, there's a bigger play here. I don't have to stay in this role that I'm in right now.
I mean, just the knowledge you can gain from just different people, different organizations, it's amazing.
It's a great opportunity for us to represent the value that we add, to continue building our professional connections, and to continue learning and growing with others in the industry.